Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Caitlin, and in this video I will show you how to use flavor shots from sugar and crumbs to make fudge. There are several ways to make fudge that range in degrees of difficulty. Let us know in the comments how you like to make your fudge. This fudge recipe requires you to cook the ingredients, then beat in a mixer before adding to your pan. Continue watching this video to learn how to make and flavor your fudge using sugar and crumbs flavor shots. Let's get started. Start by measuring 82 grams of softened butter into a non-stick saucepan. Then, measure 282 grams of sweetened condensed milk into a bowl and set aside. In a large bowl, measure 321 grams of powdered sugar and add a 50-gram package of your desired flavor shot and whisk together. Line a loaf pan with a piece of parchment, making sure the ends hang over the sides of the pan. This will make for easier removal later. Place the saucepan with the softened butter over low heat to melt. Once the butter is melted, add the sweetened condensed milk and whisk until fully combined. Turn the heat to medium and whisk constantly while adding the powdered sugar mixture in small batches. Once all of the powdered sugar has been mixed in, add a candy thermometer to the side of the pan. Make sure the thermometer is suspended in the mixture and does not touch the bottom of the pan. Whisk the mixture constantly and be sure to scrape the bottom and sides of the pan to prevent the mixture from sticking and burning. Continue whisking while bringing the mixture to a boil. Cook the mixture to 233 to 239 degrees Fahrenheit for a soft fudge or 244 degrees Fahrenheit for a firmer fudge. Once it reaches your desired temperature, remove it from the heat. Pour the fudge into the bowl of a stand mixer and beat on medium to high speed for a few minutes until it becomes thick and starts to set. Pour the fudge into your prepared pan, leaving a small amount to the side. If desired, color the fudge using gel food colors and transfer to a pastry bag. Pipe the colored fudge on top of the rest and use a scribe tool to swirl the colors together. Allow the fudge to set up at room temperature for 3 to 4 hours, or until set. Once the fudge is set, use a knife to release from the sides and pull out of the pan using the parchment paper. Cut into 1-inch pieces or to your desired size. Store the fudge in an airtight container at room temperature for 2 weeks or up to 3 to 4 weeks in the refrigerator. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and turning on the notifications. Your support will help us grow our channel and create more videos. Don't forget to leave a comment letting us know how you like to make your fudge. If you would like to see more videos like this one, check out the miscellaneous desserts playlist on our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram to stay updated on our newest products, and be sure to check out our stories for upcoming projects. Our social media links can be found in the description box below. We love to see how you use products from our store, so be sure to tag us in your posts. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.